Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we'll discuss about how to create Salesman in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. To create Salesman, from the main menu, choose Create Salesman Agent Broker option. Here, by clicking the search button, we can see how many salesmen we have created, what is the contact number, commission percentage, in which department, and the unique ID. All this information we can see by clicking this search button. So before creating a salesman, we can check whether this salesman is already created or not by clicking this search button. Similarly, if you want to edit the name, department, commission percentage, by clicking this edit button, system will display all the existing salesmen along with the commission percentage and all the information. For example, for the first 6 months, you have given a commission of 5% to one of the salesmen, and after 6 months, if his or the salesman's performance is better, you can increase the commission percentage by editing the salesman. At the time of generating the sales bill, what is the commission percentage we have set in this commission register, that will be treated as commission percentage while you generate the sales invoice. So to create a salesman, in the salesman name, enter the salesman. For example, I'm giving the salesman name as Google, and phone number I'm giving, this is the phone number. The commission I'm giving 5% commission. The department he is working is indoor sales. So this salesman code is system generated unique ID. The salesman name is Google. The phone number is so and so. Commission percentage, at the moment I am giving him 5%. Depend upon the performance later, I will increase or decrease this commission percentage. The department he is working is indoor sales. After entering all this mandatory information, click on the create button to save it. Salesman created successfully. If you want to change any of the information about the salesman, by simply clicking this edit button, you can choose the salesman here. Here we can see the salesman we have created was Gokul. If you want to change any of the information, by placing the cursor on a specific salesman and pressing this modify button, you can change any of this information. After making the change, by clicking the save button, system will update the salesman information. So let us make a sales bill. In Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System, different varieties of sales panels are available. For example, the first sales panel is from the work center, select sales for the ordinary sales form. It means The item selection will be choosing the product from the product list by entering the product name. Depend upon the nature of the company, which sales panel is suited for you. We can utilize the various sale panels available in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. The another method is POS sales. Here, instead of choosing the product name by typing or choosing the product from the list, by scanning the barcode, you can choose the product. If the barcode is not scanning, there is an alternative option to choose the product by entering the product name. In this both method, user is not allowed to make any changes on the unit price. He can make the sales or generate the sales invoice based on the retail price or wholesale price that is set by the manager or the concerned person. The data entry operator is not allowed to make or modify the sales price while creating the sales invoice. So let us create a sales invoice based on the barcode scanning method. From the work center, choose POS sales. Here consider the customer I am selecting is customer Anand. Here the product, either in this barcode area, suppose you have scanned an item, consider this is the barcode we have scanned. System will automatically pop up a window. What or how many products are having the barcode we have scanned? That will be listed in a pop-up window. From this window, we can choose the desired product. The another feature in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System is system will allow you to use a single barcode for multiple products. It means suppose you are buying the products from different companies. If the suppliers are not using a standard barcoding method, there is a possibility of similar barcode to be used by different suppliers. So you will be receiving a product or multiple product with same barcode. In this case, many of the softwares in the market will not accept same barcode for multiple products. But here in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management system will allow you to use same barcode for multiple products. So if while scanning a specific barcode, if the system found the same barcode with multiple product, system will display all such product in the screen, asking the data entry operator to choose the actual product which are being sold. Here example, either you can scan the product barcode with the help of a barcode scanner. Otherwise, by pressing the enter key, we can use the default product selection method from this list by typing the product name. For example, I am selling motor pump 5 HP Kirloskar. The MRP on the product is 70,000. Our selling price, retail selling price, what we have set is 68,000. The user is not allowed to make any changes on his MRP or selling price while he make the sales invoice. using this barcode sales panel. Quantity I am entering is 1. If you want to give any extra discount, we can give it here. There is one more option in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Suppose there are multiple products in this sales bill. If you want to give a percentage wise discount, by clicking this discount calculator field, just enter the discount percentage here. By pressing the enter key, system will display the discount amount here. It means 5% of this total bill amount 68,000 is 3,400. By clicking this apply button, system will automatically calculate and put the discount figure here. Either by with the help of this discount calculator, we can give discount to a sales bill. Otherwise, we can enter manually here. Now, let us add the salesman in this sales bill. Two methods of adding the salesman is available in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. The first method is if there are only one salesman in a sales bill, we can make use of this salesman button here. Consider Gokul. This is the salesman we have created just now. The commission percentage we have set is 5. He is working in indoor sales. By choosing this Gokul, here we can see the salesman against this sales bill we have selected is Google. This is called bill wise single salesman. If you want to remove the salesman from this bill, by clicking this clear button, we can remove the salesman. Similarly, suppose in a single sales invoice, suppose there are more items or consider 5 items are there. Customer has taken the goods from different department. For example, he has purchased few electrical product, few electronic product, or some home appliance product. There is a chance of different salesmen in each of the department. So a single sales bill, there may be different salesmen. This is called salesman against line item. Suppose in this line, by putting the or placing the cursor or clicking the cursor in this salesman field, system will pop up the name of the salesman. Here I am choosing Google. This way also you can assign or tag salesman while you make a sales bill. Either line wise salesman, otherwise bill wise salesman. One of the method system will allow you in a single sales bill. It is not possible to assign bill wise as well as line wise salesman in a single sales invoice. For example, here we have assigned a salesman in the line item. If you want to choose bill wise salesman, if you press this salesman button, system will not display the list of the salesmen in the pop-up. If you have removed this salesman information from this line item details, and again if you press the salesman button, system will display the list of the salesmen, because system understood that there is no salesman we have defined in any of the product in the line item. That is the reason system allowed you to choose the salesman based on a bill wise salesman. After choosing the salesman, consider customer is settling this bill amount through online Paytm or Google Pay. I'm selecting the payment time as Paytm or online. The cursor movement will be automatically moved to the online, and amount will be already appeared here. By clicking the save button, you can save this sales bill. Bill saved successfully. Here we can see after saving the bill, system will display the sales invoice in the screen. If you want to generate the PDF format, by clicking this file generate to PDF, you can generate the PDF format of this invoice. If you want to take the printout of this invoice, by clicking this print button, you can direct the output into the printer. There are different varieties of bill templates are available in Brainweaver's retail management system. Since I have fixed the bill template as A4 size, after saving the sales invoice, system will automatically display the sales invoice in A4 format. If I have set the default sales format or layout as A5, after saving the sales invoice, system will display the invoice in A5 format. We can set A4, A5, 3-inch, 2-inch, 4-inch formats in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Depend upon the nature of the company or which layout is suitable to you, you can change it at any time depend upon your requirement. By clicking this sales position button, we can see today's total sales and breakup of the payment. Here we can see this is the total sales. 1,46,922 is the total sales we have achieved today. Out of this total sale, 10,922 rupees we have received in cash. 1,36,000 we received in bank through online. So such a quick reference, we can get the information about today's total sale as well as the payment breakup. Similarly, if you click on this bill history, from this list, we can see today how many bills have been generated, what are the different payment methods, which customers we have made the sales, what is the bill amount of each bill. All such information, by clicking this bill history, we can see from the list. Again, if you want to see what are the products we have sold against each bill, by clicking this line details, system will display here against each bill what are the products we have sold, price information, quantity information, all such information we can see in this list. If you want to see the type of or journal entry of this sales invoice, either by with the help of this report menu, we can use the journal register, or from this icons in the toolbar, we can also invoke the stock journal register. Here we can see this is the last or recent sales journal for this motor pump sale bill worth 68,000. Here we can see sales account is credited and customer Anand is debited here. The voucher type is sales. Since we have received the payment through online, system automatically posted the journal entry for bank receipt. Since we have linked the online payment to the ledger account Bank of Baroda, system has automatically posted this online payment to Bank of Baroda by debiting Bank of Baroda and crediting this customer Anand. System has automatically posted the receipt entry. If you want to take the printout of this receipt to give it to the customer by placing this cursor on this specific journal and by clicking this print button, we can issue a receipt invoice against this bank receipt. Now let us see the salesman commission. To see the salesman commission from the reports, there is an option called salesman commission. Here we can see in how many bills we have assigned a salesman. All bills will be displayed in this list. Here we can see 230526 in today's date. Here the salesman name is Gokul. The net amount is 68,000 and the commission earned by this salesman Gokul wide 5% is 3,400 and this amount is not yet paid. That is the reason the commission status is showing as unpaid. Suppose if you want to see the salesman details line wise, by clicking this salesman line wise, system will display line wise information. For example, I am choosing the salesman Prasad here. By clicking this line wise, here we can see Prasad is included in these 4 sales bills along with few of other salesmen. It means these bills are having different products. From the different product, one or few products salesman we have chosen is Prasad. This is the meaning. And the status of this payment is showing as unpaid. So line wise salesman commission as well as bill wise salesman commission we can see in this list. By entering a date range and by clicking this individual salesman commission information, here we can see the cursor at the moment is or the salesman we have chosen from this list is Prasad. By clicking this individual salesman button, system will display during the date range we have entered here how many commission this salesman Prasad has earned. In bill wise we have chosen at the time of generating sales invoice, as well as the line wise if we have chosen the salesman line wise while making the sales invoice, that will be displayed in the bottom side, and in the top side bill wise information. So under the bill wise info sales, Prasad has earned a total of 81 rupees total commission, and this is the bill information. In the top side we can see. In the bottom side, Prasad has earned 4,620 rupees as commission, and the breakup of this 4,620 is in the bottom side under the bill number 230-523. He has earned 540, and 230-524 he has earned 4,080. So total line wise commission he has earned is 4,260, and bill wise commission he has earned is 81 rupees. So this is the total commission payable to Prasad during the date range 31st August to 31st August. By clicking this report, consider 1st August to 31st August. If you want to calculate or generate a report of commission statement, bill wise commission statement, entering the date range, and by clicking this report button, system will generate a report of commission statement salesman wise. Here we can see all the sales commission informations are grouped by salesman. Each salesman is entitled how much commission, what are the bill breakups, all will be available in this report. So in this report we can see there is a total of 15,065 rupees is payable to various salesmen towards salesman commission. The amount of each salesman we can see in this report. At the same time, how much sales a specific salesman has achieved during the date range we have chosen, that also we can see in this report. From the MIS report also, after entering the date range, if you enter the salesman commission rank button, we can analyze during the date range we have entered who are the top salesmen, which salesman has earned the top commission during the date range we have entered. Here we can see in this list There are two salesmen we have chosen while making the sales invoice, Gokul and Prasad. Gokul has earned the highest commission during this period. The commission he has earned is 3,400 and his rank comes first. Another salesman is Prasad. During this date range, he has earned 81 rupees. So in this way, in every month, we can generate a report of who is the top salesman of this current month or previous month, and by giving a consolation prices, he can motivate the salesman. So by default, if you click on the salesman commission rank, system will generate the report based on the commission based on bill wise. If you click on this line wise, here we can see how many salesmen we have assigned line wise. That report we can see here. It means Prasad is the topper, 4,200, 4,620 he has earned. Mithun has earned only 28 paisa. So two method of salesman commission we can calculate in Brainweaver's retail management system. One is bill wise salesman. It means only one salesman will include in one sales invoice. Line wise means multiple salesmen will be there in a single sales invoice. That is called line wise commission details. And another one is salesman commission details based on bill wise. One bill is having only one salesman. So in this way, you can manage commission in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. The another utility we will discuss is how to see the customer list. How many customers ledger account you have created. All such customer information you can see in this customer list. After making a customer ledger, system will generate a customer address book with all the address information. So this will be very useful for the concerned person to refer the address information, contact information of each customer for payment follow-up, order follow-up, license work, any media of communication. You can use this customer address book. Consider in the end of the year, if you want to send account reconciliation statement to all your customers who are having outstanding payments, by clicking this all but option from this combo box and clicking this covering letter, what will happen is system will generate an outstanding payment covering letter in the name of each customer who is having outstanding amount receivables to us. Here we can see in the first letter the address is or the customer name is CC Bakery. In the next, here we can see customer ABC, who is the contact person, what is our account reference. All such information we can see in this covering letter. So, from this list, if you have chosen the option as all, system will generate covering letter for each customer who is having outstanding amount receivables to us. In this letter, we can see the date, our company information, the address information of the customer, kind attention, the contact person, dear sir, madam, subject, request to clear the outstanding payment, account reference, our account ID number. In the content, we can see with reference to the above subject, we are hereby enclosing your ledger account in our books of accounts for your perusal. Kindly request you to please clear settle the balance amount as soon as possible upon the receipt of this letter. Hope you will look into the matter and do the needful. Thank you for doing business with us. Yours faithfully, authorized signatory. Here in the note, we can see if there is any discrepancy on the statement of accounts. Please inform us immediately upon the receipt of this letter along with a copy of our ledger in your books of accounts. Enclosures ledger account. So in this method, if you want to generate a covering for the individual customer we have selected here in this list, in which customer the cursor is positioned now. By choosing this individual option here, if you click on this covering letter, system will generate only one covering letter for the customer we have put the cursor here. Here we can see the cursor is on customer Anand. Here we can see the customer Anand is only taken here to prepare this covering letter for requesting to settle the outstanding payment. The ledger account during a specific period along with this covering letter, either you can email this statement or you can post it physically to this specific customer. In this way, we can very beautifully manage the customer account reconciliation at the end of each financial year or in each quarter. You can reconcile the accounts of all your customers to ensure that the details in the books of accounts of the customer as well as ledger information in your book of accounts are in the same page. By clicking these mailing labels, you can generate address for mailing. If you are posting this covering letter physically, you can make use of these mailing labels. You can take the printout of these mailing labels and cut and paste in the envelope. There are various features are available in Brainweaver's E-Trade retail management system. We'll discuss the other features in the next session. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.